Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are discussing topic how to calculate a cross correlation in past statistical software. So what is the cross correlations? The cross correlation is a statistical measure used to evaluate the similarity between two time series or spatial signal such as functions of the displacement of one relative to the other. In biological science and other field, cross correlation can be used to identify the relationships between different variables over the time or space. The cross correlation analysis is a powerful tool for understanding the relationship and the interactions between ecological variables over time or space. It helps to identify patterns such as synchrony, lake response, and the spatial dependence among the ecological data. So, the application of the cross correlation in biological science. The first one for the time series analysis, the gene expressions. Analyzing how the expressions level of different gene correlated over the time to identify the correlative genes or regulatory mechanisms. The time series analysis for physiological signals. Studying the correlations between the physiological signals such as a heart rate, temperature, or neural activity over the time to understand interactions between the different biological processes. So the next one for the spatial data analysis, the ecological data, evaluating the spatial relationship between the species distributions or environmental variable to understand ecological interactions and the spatial dependence. Genomic data for spatial data analysis, investigating the spatial patterns in genetic data to identify the regions of the genomic that show the correlated variability, potentially indicating the shared evolutionary process or functional links. Imaging analysis for the cross correlations, the microscopic images. Comparing images take the different time or under the different conditions to detect shift or changes in the spatial distributions of biological structures. The behavioral studies for the animal movement, analyzing the correlations between the movement patterns of the different animals or the pattern and between an animal and environmental factors to understand the behavioral response and interactions. The cross correlations used in the biological field, such as now take the examples for the data analysis of the video sections, ecological time series data for the cross correlations used in the past statistical software. Now we used the past version for 4.17c versions. Let's see how a cross correlation analysis can be carried out with the data of the two bird species, the bird species A and bird species B, for 5 years in particular regions and the monthly rainfall data for the time period. The cross correlations between the species inhabitants and the predicted pattern can be analyzed to identify the potential climatic influence on species population dynamics. Let's explore use the past 4.17t to compute the cross correlations and examine how the rainfall pattern correlate with the changes in species inhabitants. Let's go to the practical section. The data already entered in the past statistical software. Okay, the how to edit this data or import the data, the click to the column attributed, paste for the data in monthly rainfall species column and the paste the data options. So we take the first column for the every year. Totally we take the 5 year 2015 to 2019, and the every year take to the 12 month the species data and collect for the rainfall data in every month and every 5 years. So, third one column for the species A, and fourth one column for the species B. We take the two different species and the rainfall. But now we the calculate for the species A and compare to the rainfall. So the cross correlations only used for the two variable. So take for the species A one variable and another one variable for the rainfall data. So click to the control button and select to the rainfall and species A column. Go to the time series menu and correlation options and select to the cross correlations. So the image generated for the cross correlation in past statistical software. This is a plot for the cross correlations image and the blue line for the correlations lines. So the past statistical software provide for the plot type in the three type. The first one for the line, this is a line graph, and the next one for the bar type. Select for the plot type in bar and view on the graph for the bar type. So this is a bar type. The next one the plot style for the points. Select to the points type, and this is for the point type for the cross correlations graph. So now selected for the line, and second one options for the click to the checkbox in the p value. So select the checkbox, the red line indicated for the p value and the blue line indicate for the cross correlations. So the next one tab for the plot after the number members menu. So the number for the lack options and correlated value and p value. So the x value, the x is mentioned to the lack options minus 30 to plus 30. So the correlation value this is, and the value mentioned to the graph value mentioned to the for the numbers tab. So this is for the minus 30, the correlation value minus 0.35 and p value 0.05. So this is for the value of the graph. Okay, now the customized the graph, select the graph setting options, the only options for the thick line. So selected for the thick line only, no the color changes in the option for the past statistical software. So the export, how to export the graph, go to the export menu and select the file type for the JPG or TIFF or GIF. Most of the journal accepted format for the JPG, so I selected for the JPG and click to the save as button, select to the correct locations and save to the cross correlation image. Okay, this is for the analyzing method in the cross correlations in past statistical software. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.